Partner friends, I know it look a little burnt. It's alright. I have to make sure that inside is donch. I can't be messing around with that rare chicken. Now, for my gravy, I didn't have no flour. So I don't even think I can call it gravy though. Now it's 40 weight, but since I didn't have no flour and use starch, it really ain't 40 weight gravy. It's more like synthetic gravy. You feel me? Man, tell them folks you always here. Gold Peak the Stepper. All right, let's go on and dig in. You know, I ain't been doing that lately. That's out of pocket, out of line. Well, let me start with this little bit, sir. Let's see. I didn't do that. Mm-hmm. All right. Biscuit. Get a bite. Get a bite. Get a bite of that biscuit. Mm-hmm. That biscuit is good. Get a bite. Get a bite.